Morning first.
Haitian.
Visiter Haiti.
Visiter
Visiter
Haïti.
Haiti.
Ok guys, partie 3, côté ma pratique créole avec ti frère yo. So y'all gonna have to translate for me. I wanna visit Haiti. How do you say that, Morning? Morning first.
Haitian.
Okay, how do you say it?
Nous allons Haïtien.
Slower than that.
Nous allons Haïtien.
Moi vle
Mais vrai,
visiter Haïti.
visiter Haiti.
Visiter
Visiter
Haiti.
Haiti.
That's how you say it. Good job.
Okay, so guys, it's my turn. But I'm gonna say something in Creole, and then Dimugo and Logan are gonna say something in English.
Okay, go ahead.
So me vle jump in, me vle swim in the piece of land.
Okay, well, I guess, okay, you want me to say it in English or in Creole?
English.
Okay, he wants to swim in the pool. Isn't that what you meant to say?
No, I said two things.
Okay, you want to swim in the pool. What was the second thing?
Me vle jump in and me vle swim in the piece of land.
Okay, so you want to jump and swim in the pool. Okay, that's what you meant to say.
So Logan, what do you have to say?
What do you want to say, Logan?
I said in Creole, so you have to say in English.
Go
Did you
ahead,
just hear
Logan.
Dimugo?
Anyways.
Yeah.